Stu and Kelly's honeymoon video. Kelly reading. What you reading? We're in Quipos, Costa Rica. And it rains every night at about 4. This is our terrible view. You see the ocean. You can't see the ocean anymore. A little bit in the distance now, you can see it. The rain's starting to clear up over there. Here's the hammock. It's my book. That's where I hang out. And then every morning, the monkeys, little monkeys come through this area over here. There's a little troop of monkeys. They're kind of cool. They're the black and white ones. They come through at about 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30 in the morning. So we wake up and we sit out here and watch them. They eat the fruit. There's fruit way up in these trees. And they eat the fruit in these trees every morning. And you can tell they're here because the little shells drop to the ground. Because they're up there eating them and the shells start dropping. There's our little bungalow in Quipos. Okay, time to say goodbye. I'm going to drink some coffee before we head out for dinner.